Hello everyone, welcome to Maricel's Homestead Kitchen. I'm gonna show you my new collection. I have roses here, but not really big roses. I get 5 of this for 50 pesos each. And here I have white and pink. And I have some bougainvillea also. This is different colors. So I got 10 and I have one free. So now I'm starting, since I don't have my pots yet. I ordered like 30 pots, 30 pieces, but it's still not finished, I think. So I just plant in my old broken pot. I'll just transfer this when I got my clay pots. And here I'm going to plant. I have here because I got also some compost. So I have here. I'm going to replant this because this one is old now and not good looking. And this one also I will replant this. I will plant more. And this one. So I use gloves to put my compost here. So what I'm just going to do, but I want to plant more of this anyway, this one. So what I'm going to do is just cut this. This. There are 2, 4, 5, 6. Because this kind of flower is not good anymore if it's getting old. I haven't this one. I'm just going to plant here. And then after this, water. And now I'm done with my planting with my new flowers. So new flowers, new arrangement. Here I try to plant some of my old flowers. Here's my rose. My lettuce is going now, lettuce, and my peach tree. They're growing up. Oh, good. See? And here's my old ugly flowers now because they are old. They're not beautiful anymore. You need to replant again. If this kind of flowers, you need to replant again. So I'm gonna throw this. And I have this also. This one I like this. It's like the flower start 1 month or 1 month, more than 1 month ago. So I plant more here. And here's my bougainvillea. It's color white. Bougainvillea, if it's getting older, it's more beautiful. Yeah, and here, and here's my rose, another rose. I have aloe vera here also. What happened? And here's my white rose. Small. I have 10 bougainvillea, and then I have one free, so I have 11 bougainvillea. This one. Since I don't have new pots, so I just use this bucket. And then very beautiful. See? Touch my new flowers. Yeah. Look. And I got some of this. So, this one is new. This one. This one. And this one. I still have 3 sacks of compost. I just need pots. So that's my new flowers update. This flower is, we call this tiger. It looks okay. It's look clean. And I remove my hanging plants here because I don't like it also anymore, so I remove. I'm happy with my new flowers. And here I put some green plants inside also. And here, maybe I'm going to put inside the house also. Inside our room. So that's all my update about my flowers. So I'm gonna thanks everyone for keep watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe, and comment. Well, you choose to comment if you want, bad or good, but I'm gonna ignore the bad. Okay, thanks, bye.